Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And once you see it, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and after you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the list of options and find the option called sound and vibration. And after you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll through the list, find the option called vibration, and then tap on it. No, come on, vibration, and then tap on it. And here we have the list of vibration intensity levels, and we have off. If you select this option, the vibration will be disabled, soft, and strong. Select the one you like and tap on OK, and it will be set to the something you selected. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set or change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.